Welcome back, Twisted Gearheads fam. I'm your boy AD with Twisted Gearheads. We are back at it again. We got a 1995 Cadillac DeVille. We are replacing the AC compressor along with the AC hoses. Customer came in stating that the vehicle has no AC. What a beautiful, beautiful classic car. It's not old, but it is in the 1990s era. If you know, you know. It's got the pillow top leather interior, digital gauges. Very nice, very good condition. Old school classic car. It wasn't too hard to do it. It was 3 bolts on the AC compressor, dropped it down. The AC lines wasn't hard at all. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos. If you guys stay to the end, you guys will see the playlist pop up. Be sure to click on the playlist and watch all the other videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Adios. Have a good one.